Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to offline access files in Google Drive for desktop. Now let's begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply install the Google Drive application for desktop. I have already installed it. If you have not, do install it right now. This right here is the application, and I have already enabled it such that it appears in the File Explorer. Right here, you can see this as well. I'm just gonna go to the Google Drive right now, and once again I'm gonna go to my drive, and there are multiple files available here. And right now, do you know that these files are only available offline? In case the internet goes off, I cannot access these files. To resolve that issue, what you can do is simply right click on the files that you want to save offline, and from here simply go to show more options. Do you note that this is Windows 11, so I need to click on show more options. Once you click on it, right here you can see lots of options relating only to Google Drive, and at the very bottom you'll see something like offline access. Once you hover over it, simply click on available offline. And guys, that is it. I'm gonna open up the Google Drive application once again, and as you can see, the file has been synced. That means I can access this file offline as well. And guys, that's the gist of it. That is how you offline access files in Google Drive for desktop. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.